Here I've got a Yale 6-pin large format IC core. You can see there's the control lug for the Yale. The only thing different about the control key for these is it's just a little bit longer to lift up an extra pin in the back that pulls the control lug in. Here's the operating key for it. Key works. Now this is one I found at the shop, and keyed it up, and it was a little too easy to pick. So what I did was took all the top pins out and replaced them with spools. So this has 6 spool pins in it, which I'll show you here once I get her picked. And you see it turned quite a bit there. That's because it does have all spools in it. And what I do is just go through looking for a pin to give me some counter rotation. And there it is. So we're going to lift up on that one. You can see it spinning counterclockwise. And then sets. You can hear it and feel it, and the plug will turn back clockwise. So there's one of the 6. So I'm going to go back through here and find the next one to give us counter rotation. That one right there. Now look for another pin. Right there. So we're halfway down. There's 3 of the 6. Pin 4 is nothing. There's another one right there. Counter rotation set. We got a pretty good false set going there. Let's look for another one. There's one right there. And we set it, and you could hear another one drop. So that happens with the spool pins, no problem. We just keep it going. Go through and look for another one that gives us counter rotation. It's this first one again. And this last one again. And there it is picked. So you just have to take your time and go through them. Feel it out and listen, and if you lose the false, which you can do sometimes, is what happens is you've overlifted one more than likely. So let off tension just a hair, put the tension right back on it. And a lot of times that'll allow the pin to set, and you can continue on looking for another pin that gives you counter rotation. So I'll go ahead and get it real quick and show you what I've got in this one. I'm just going to take the clip off the back of it because my cap's staked on kind of tight. If I can. These clips are kind of a pain to get off. A major pain to get off. There we go. Okay, there's the clip. As you can see, I've got all 6 key pins in it. This little pin back here at the very back is the control pin I was talking about. Right there. My lighting's not very good. I'm trying a different camera angle here, and it's not working out very well. So as far as top pins go, all 6 of them are the lab spool pin. So there's 1, 2, there's all the top pins. So all 6 of them are spools. I tried as well as I could to balance the stacks also, but I've only got like 8 different sizes of spool pin. So as you can see, there's different sizes. But that's it. A Yale large format IC core, picked and gutted. Thanks for watching.